OK， 看起来你是 Mike 的朋友哦，他在那边在邀请人，好吗？他在那边邀请人，然后我们再等个5分钟左右吧，就可以开始了。对，发信息哦，没关系啦，没关系啦，稳，稳呐。啊，你是 Mike 的朋友吗？你要说点什么吗？在弹幕发一点什么好不好？就我，对啊，给点面子啊！是的 ，Mike 在那边哦，你要看他吗？这是 Mike， 这是总经理阿莲。So 2 people right here， 2个人在这里，好哦，好哦，欢迎来到我的频道。不是我的，我们的，好吧，还不是我的，我们的。
现在那个华人的说 China Fastener already start to live broadcast our show.
It's like there is a eyes and number 6 right here. I'm not sure.
They have 5,000 fans in Facebook.
Good to see Mike. So
他们已经开始转播。
Good to see Mike.
所以我们其实现在已经有点。Okay, nice to see you. Yeah, this is my friend from Ecuador.
Okay.
From South America.
South America.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
They're also doing fastener business. They are importing from Georgia and Ningbo, and now they are not buying from me yet.
Okay, so he is one of your customer. Okay, so nice to see you. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, so sorry about it. But this is Summer right here, and this is A-Lian, the manager of this factory, and this is Mike. And so 3 of us today we're gonna organize the tour of a factory. Yes, and let's see how it's gonna work. Wow. Wow, I really getting nervous. It's the very first time for me to be a factory, and it would be so great. It would be so great.
Actually, this is packing. This is a packing area, and also quality.
就我们可以近距离看吗？
可以近距离看一下。
就是看一下。Okay, so now I will be showing how the product and so on. So okay, sincerely I have no idea about it, so I will just let Mike to introduce these products for you guys. Okay, sure.
Yes, these maybe you can take a look at. Yeah, this employee is checking the quality for each screw. For every order, it's a standard procedure. We will check manually, and also we will use inspection machine to check the quality.
Okay. Seems like she's working really hard right here. She's really taking serious. Okay.
They are doing a visual inspection to check the color, because this is zinc coating. They will check the zinc coating color, any defects on the surface of the product, and also there any defects on the head of the screw.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
It's really cute. This screws. Okay. Okay. All right. Seems like the color reflecting. Seems the product is really well made, you know.
And this is color zinc coating. The salt spray test can endure 240 hours. Salt spray test.
240 hours.
For
Come
salt
on,
spray.
guys. Okay. Salt spray. Wow.
Yeah. This is non-standard fasteners. You see, non-standard fasteners. 这个是用在什么上面的？
这个用在汽车那个表线。
This we supply to the auto industry for the car air conditioners used in the air conditioner in the.
So we are using this little fella on air.
In the bus and in the auto industry.
Okay, car, bus, air conditioning. Okay, so cute.
用户的方面好吗？我
用在本田区吗？
you know, for Honda.
ホンダ、本当ですか？ホンダも皆様、日本のお客様がいらっしゃいましたら、ホンダっていうのをご存知なんですよね。ホンダってものすごく大きい会社なんですよね。もうこの会社とつながってるっていうことはもう本当にすごいっていうことになりますよね。Sorry, yeah. So Honda, you guys hear us. This factory even connect with Honda. So wow, I'm really surprised.
This is very important in the factory because this affects the safety and efficiency. This is a proof of high level management, factory management. Because this is
Okay, I'm back. Now before we have like almost 5 viewers and so on. Now we only have 2. Sorry about the production area. The production area. And a little bit noisy right here, but I will try my best to speak louder, okay? Okay, it smells like those machines, right?
we have more than 100 sets cold heading screw machine. Yeah, you can see the factory. We have more than 100, and most are import from Taiwan or Japan.
Taiwan and Japan.
Yeah, this machine. So we can mainly produce all kinds of screws and different material, carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, and also alumni, different material, and also different spec. Different spec screw we can produce, but mainly for auto industry.
Okay. 等下再说一遍，太吵了。
Okay. We can show the machine which is working. Which is working.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
You can see how the screw is made by this machine. It's very fast. Every day we can make thousands of piece screw every shift, 8 hours. 这个班我们下面做多少个这个手和套把现做的一个班的。
Wow, it's really badass. Okay. I have to admit that this is the very first time for me to check this kind of machine like this.
For one machine, we can produce 100,000 pieces per shift.
太吵了，不行的，等一下再说一遍。
让他们看吧。This is raw material, the wire, steel wire. We use this material for screws, only different big diameter or small diameter. And also this is carbon steel. We can produce according to customer requirement for stainless, alumni, copper, and other materials.
可以拍吗？
可以让大家看一下这个透明。
So she's checking. Hello. Let's say hi to her. She seems happy. Okay.
High precision small screw, very small.
Wow.
Like 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter.
And where can we use for?
Like a mobile phone.
Okay, mobile phone and so on.
Yeah, glass and computer. It's
Glass,
for
computer.
telecommunication products.
Okay.
It's high precision.
This is the future, guys. This is the future.
This is a set screw, and you screw and like a non-standard. It's
Okay. So what it is?
这个是用在什么上面的？它名字是什么？Electronics products.
Electronics products. Okay.
It's
Oh.
kind of special screw.
Okay, special screws.
It's the electronics products.
Well, I have to say that this is the very first time for me to see.
Have a
Can
look.
I show this? 我可以展示吗？
看内容没问题，这个我们把这个带着就可以。
行。So this is the construction on that screw.
Yeah, technical drawing.
Okay, technical drawing. Okay, you can only see it right here. You cannot see somewhere else, guys.
之后再调机，再准备一个新品的生产，再调机。Just set the machine parameter for new spec. Every time when we produce a new spec, the engineer need to set a machine parameters and to prepare the new mold. It takes at least 10 days.
At least 10 days to
Yeah,
set
yes.
up the machine.
Yes.
Okay.
Set up the machine is very fast actually, but we need to prepare the mold. The mold is necessary for every new product.
Okay, seems they really take it serious. Okay.
调机对，调卡头。
它那个模具是在哪个？
我可以近一点拍吗？
可以，
好
没问题。
那我走回去这边。
The mold is inside the machine. The mold is deciding the spec for every product. So it's the most important technical part.
Okay.
We are
Wow.
showing the secrets.
Yeah, this is secret. You cannot see somewhere else. Okay. 那个绿色的是什么呀？那个是空牙。
Tapping for thread. Tapping thread.
Okay. And it's green.
钻头封在那里面，封背牙的，然后那个转盘这样下来。
Wow.
Like this thread, this screw, no thread. Use this machine, you can get the thread. How we get thread? Through this machine.
Okay, okay.
If you want to fast, yeah.
那个牙的。
Internal thread. Internal thread.
Okay. Really interesting. Wow. So cute.
One set screw with washer and screw together. This machine can put them together.
Okay.
它这么方便，是从这里进来，滑是从那边下来，翻上去，然后再上过来这样。
Wow, so cute. It's like I don't know, a little maze and so on. Okay. So now, nothing coming out yet, but this is really interesting, I'm telling you. Okay. Guys, promise me if you have any question, just leave your comment right there. We will be doing our best to answer you, okay?
看一下就可以了。
Okay.
看一眼。
Seems like this is the raw material area and
对，主要是我们 yeah, make very classification, clear classification, different grade, different size, different customer. Like this is 10118A, and this is 1022A. Different grade and different size. And
different
also,
grade and different size.
also different raw material supplier, ball steel, and also other factory.
And I noticed there is some documents are hanging there, so they're actually making bars and they're doing
Marking,
things.
yeah,
Yeah, it smells really good, like those old garage. I really like the smells here. Well, someday if anyone have an interest when the world is more safer for us, I think you guys can come over and check how it's going on, and you can also enjoy the smells that I am smelling now. The smell is really great. I really like it.
This is we discussed yesterday salt spray test machine.
Oh, so this is the salt spray machine. Okay, spray. Okay. So this is like what does this do?
这个要有这个就是测试它在一种严雾环境下的，
耐腐蚀。
然后不出现腐蚀这块就可以了。
对，就是不生红锈跟白锈。
Yeah, to test the screw, they don't have red rust or white rust after maybe 96 hours to 100 hours. It's according to the customer requirements, how many hours they need for salt spray test.
Okay.
In this machine, it's humidity environment. It's a module like in the seaside environment. They can endure the humidity and no rust. Yeah.
Wow. It seems like a little, I don't know, fridge for me. And seems like this machine, it's like testing that how tough our screw is. Yeah. And see how much time they can last for, and how strong for those bad environments like seaside and so on. Okay, it's really interesting.
Also, we have some instruction for the salt spray.
Instruction.
Spray test registration.
Yeah.
Also, we have some records for the salt spray test for each order. When we do the salt spray test, we have records and we have a test report for the customer.
Okay, so we are also handing the record to our customer just to show.
If they need.
Delete.
如果客户要求这个是延误时间包的话，我们也可以做。Yes.
Okay.
Offer the
Okay.
report if they need.
Okay.
But whether they need or not, we have the original record in our factory.
So it means that we are always preparing. If you want, we can give you all the time.
Yeah, and also the test machine, they will check every time from time. 这大概多长时间是检一次？大概是一个月 every month.
Once
they will
a
check-
month, okay.
Yeah, once a month. They will check the machine whether it's in the
Okay.
normal condition.
Uh-huh.
Everything is okay.
The frequency is pretty high. It's like you're checking the machine like once a month. Yeah. That is
have gardens, they have fountain, they have flowers.
wow. Wow, I never expect that I can see such a things at a factory. Okay, and wow, it's so hot outside. so if anyone having any interest about this factory, feel free to leave your comment right there. I think we have already put the link right there, and guys are very. Now I'm back. Guys, feel free to leave your comments at the website. If you have any question, you can just ask right there. Yeah, leave your contacts, and we can do a communication and so on. Okay. So now, where is it? 这个在哪里？哦，在这边吼。Okay. Wow, air conditioning, awesome.
Yeah, we're back to the air conditioning room.
Yeah. Right, so hot.
Yeah, it's QA instrument room.
Okay, I will put right here. QA instrument room. Okay. QA instrument room. Oh. So this document.
Documents, for tracing, quality tracing. If they have any problem, they can find which part, which test failed. They have the record. Hardness tester. To test the hardness of the screw. This is Rockwel hardness tester. And also we will do the calibration every year. Two sides. Rockwel. Yeah, these test tools, they will do the inspection and calibration every year. So make sure they are qualified, make sure their results are reliable.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is 2D projector.
二次元 two dimension
No, 2D.
2D
2D projector.
2D
这
projector
就是的2D 投影仪嘛？2D projector. 主要是测尺寸的嘛。Yeah, also we have calibration for every year.
Okay. Now we are decide to show the sample, and guys can just check it out. Right. So I just heard that the manager tell me that they prefer to do whatever the customer require. It's like they basically don't have much standard and so on. They just do whatever the customer want. Wow, isn't that brilliant? That's so sharp. It's like a magician can bring you whatever you're requiring, whatever you're asking. It's really awesome. Yeah. Now let's check the sample.
Now we will show some samples. Yeah, we are supplying to big customer like Honda, like Cisco, and also John Deere and U.S. Motors, and some motors manufactured in North America and also in Japan. Yeah, these products, maybe you can have a close look of these samples. They are non-standard product. This product is unique for every customer. Yeah. For every product, the customer will give us drawing. Yeah, we can open the new mode and provide the sample. And for quality inspection.
So if I am the customer, I will just have to give you the technical drawing, and then you will do whatever I'm asking for, right?
Yes, yes.
If I want a heart shape screw, can you make that?
If you have drawing, yeah, we can make that.
I want a heart shape. It's so cute. Okay.
Or you have a picture. no drawing, you have a picture.
As long as I'm having a picture, you
Yes.
can actually do whatever I want.
Yeah. A-Lian is a engineer actually. Yeah, it's
Engineering. So,
he's
okay.
a technical guy.
Okay. Wow.
She will prepare the drawing for the customer and for. She will prepare the drawing for customer confirmation. And when customer approve the drawing, we will produce a sample, like 1 piece or 100 pieces, like how many pieces you need for samples is okay. And we deliver the sample for the end user to the factory, assemble to check the size, the quality, and everything. When they are approved, the sample quantity, we can begin mass production.
Okay, I see. Wow, it's really cool if I can have a heart shape screw.
Yeah, also you can see this is copper. This is not carbon steel. This is copper.
Copper. Can I watch? Wow. So 有 coating 吗 ？coating.
这个有涂层啊，外面就没有。
Okay.
为什么？
Without coating, look at the reflexing.
本身就是黄色。
Okay. 实心
这个
了。
是有 coating 的。
Wow.
这个是彩色的。
Wow. Oh my God.
Green zinc coating.
Check this out, guys. This is her with coating, and wow, check the color. It's so cool. It's so cool.
我觉得这个是黑色的，这个黑色也是布的。
黑心对。
涂层。
Yeah, black coating.
Okay, and this is black.
这个也是黑心的，也是有镀层黑色。黑心。
好，我先给你。Wait， 那这个要来干嘛？
这个是用在汽车上面固定汽车。
固定汽车，
Like
叫
a
什么？
pin, like a pin to
Pin.
fasten some parts in the car.
哦 ，OK。
相当于一个销售。
Honda 也在用。
这个
哦，哇，Honda is also using this.
这个是
It's like those old-fashioned kids.
铜的。
Okay.
This is